Today I'm actually here at a truck stop, decided to pull off the interstate. This is called, what is it? Rolling T Truck Stop. So I'm going to conduct my honest review, and it's gonna be great. It's a little truck stop at a Chevron station out in, I believe this is Nauvoo, Alabama. So essentially, like, Nauvoo and Carbon Hill are neck and neck. They're basically next door neighbors. So anyway, gonna get another hamburger review today. I am definitely ecstatic for this. And this place is absolutely amazing. I love the atmosphere. I love the energy so much. It's so much better than the previous place where I was previously at a little pizza place. But I decided to get a medium. I love my hamburgers always to be medium, well done. A medium done with everything on. I got myself this small little Sprite. Every time I have like greasy food, I've always got to have soda with it. And interesting fact about me, like, I only drink soda like once a month, and that's about it. Other than that, no. Oh my god, that was perfect. I was like dying of something to drink. Alright everyone, so I just had got my food, and I guess because of the virus, the waitress had told me that they had to put it inside of a little box, like to-go box. And this is all it here. Apparently the burgers are like really super great. And the french fries are huge as well. This is awesome. So here's like the little french fries here. They're huge. Look at how huge they are. Oh shoot. That was really great. That's super hot. So I grabbed it when I was like, it was super hot. Otherwise, I love this. This is so great. I love this. It's not greasy or anything. This is like awesome right here. Oh my god. It's so hot. It's so great though. I'm just like pressing through the pain right now just to eat this. For one, I'm definitely hungry, and for two, it's addictive. Like, I love this. This is awesome. Check this out. It's like a triple cheeseburger pretty much. God, it's amazing. Take a bite of them and taste it. You can see this is amazing here. This is awesome. Oh my god, it's so divine. Those are definitely divine. Nice and juicy and everything. It's definitely won my heart for sure. I mean, this has got to be, I think, like number three of my, this has got to be like number 3 of my favorite hamburger of all time. This is so great. This is perfect. So if you're ever touring through Alabama, definitely stop at, well, of course, like Mavis Cafe and this place here, Rolling T Truck Stop. It's just right off the interstate. It's like off of like exit 46, going towards like, I think going towards like Carbon Hill, Nauvoo area. Well, this burger is divine. Like, you have absolutely no idea how great this is. Especially the french fries are really great for sure. Best food ever. And I was starving as well. Oh my god, I need to get something to eat. I'm starving. Awesome. Damn, look how amazing this is. I haven't even started yet. This hamburger is huge. On top of that, you get all these like fries and a drink. It's just amazing. And of course, ketchup. It's one thing about my hamburgers. I always like douse with like ketchup all the time. Stuff is amazing. It's just perfect. Hey everyone, I'm back. Wow. So in conclusion of this video, my name is Cody Gremlin. Please subscribe, like, share, and comment. And especially hit that bell for notifications of future videos. That was this incredible act of kindness that I just had experienced. That is surreal to me. To this gentleman, if you are watching this video, if you happen to stumble upon this video, which I'm more likely sure that you will, I wanted to personally thank you so much, and you are the shining light and example of the world that we need more of. And you are just a complete stranger, but you actually paid for my food. And like, I got up to the service counter and the waitress told me, you know, I pulled my money out of my pocket and she's like, oh, this gentleman that was sitting next to you, like, he paid for your food. And I was like, what, really? Wow, that happened to me like very, very rarely. So that's ultimately the reason and why I'm so passionate about creating these videos, and for this channel alone, is to help inspire to change the world like that, like you, the gentleman who paid for my food. That is amazing. So it's really it went from a negative into like an absolute positive, just coming here. Instead of the pizza place, I just come here. So that is surreal. So thank you so much to that gentleman. You are amazing, and wow, it's just awesome. Now I've got to go out and do it. Now I got to do the butterfly effect today. So, you know, I'm just sitting here in awe, and I'm like, wow. It's like, wow. So the gentleman lives around here somewhere, so if I see you in person, or you see me in person, definitely say hello. Don't be a stranger. I'd like to shake your hand. That's awesome. Man, that's really great. So thank you for that, sir. And I really appreciate that. And I hope that you enjoy watching this video. Man, this hamburger just filled me up right now. So, see you everyone.